should be done in such a way that the center of the gravity of column coincide with the centroid of footing area. Next is tropozoidal combined footing. If the column carry equal loads, the footing is of tropozoidal shape should be provided. Next is combined column wall footing. It may be required to provide a combined footing for a column and wall. So these are the figures of showing different type of simple footing. The first is rectangular footing and the second is tropozoidal footing. So two columns are placed under a common footing. In a rectangular, the shape of footing is rectangular. In the second case, the shape of footing is tropozoidal. And this is the combined wall and column footing. So the footing is very common. You can see from the base the wall is erected on the same footing and the columns are connected through a combined footing. Next is strap footing. So if a independent footing of two columns are connected by a beam, it is called strap footing, and it means we put a strap between two individual footings. So strap footing may be used where the distance between the column is so great and the tropozoidal footing becomes quite narrow. So strap footing doesn't remain in contact with soil and doesn't transfer any pressure to the soil. So it itself adjusts the load from superstructure. So these are the figures of strap footing, that a column A, which is isolated footing, and the column B is under the isolated footing. They are combined, joined together by a strap beam. So this is called strap footing. The second, the below is the plan of the same figure. So next type of shallow foundation is raft foundation. So what is raft? If the raft foundation is combined footing that covers the entire area beneath a structure and support all column and column. So if we provide the footing all over the constructed area, so it is called raft foundation. So in the case of our college where the electrical department is under construction, so the type of footing they provided is raft foundation. So where we should provide this type of foundation, where the soil is sufficient, is not have good geotechnical properties. Soil are very weak in terms of taking the loads from the superstructure, and the settlement below the soil is very high. So we provide the raft foundation. So raft foundation can be further classified into categories: solid slab system, beam slab system, and the cellular system.